Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify user acceptance testing with TestRail step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your TestRail account. Navigate to the project that you are working on. In the left sidebar, select the Test Cases section. Locate and select the test case you want to verify user acceptance testing for. Open the test case to review its details. Check that all acceptance criteria are clearly outlined. Next, ensure that the test case is marked as ready for testing. Click on the Test Runs and Results option in the sidebar. Create a new test run by selecting the appropriate configurations. Choose the test cases that include your user acceptance criteria. Once the test run is created, assign it to the relevant team members. Communicate the testing objectives and expected outcomes to the testers. Instruct the testers to execute the test cases accordingly. After testing, remind them to document their results in TestRail. Review the results once all tests have been completed. Ensure that all acceptance criteria have been met and documented. If any criteria fail, coordinate with the development team for necessary fixes. Retest any failed cases to ensure issues have been resolved. Once all criteria are verified, update the test run status to completed. Document any insights or learnings for future reference. Finally, prepare a summary report for stakeholders to provide an overview of the testing outcomes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.